Hello, boss. Assalamualaikum.
عليكم السلام حبيبي.
Yes, boss.
يبغى واحد هذا سوشي بوكس.
Sushi box. How many pieces? 16 pieces or 32 pieces?
16 pieces.
16 pieces.
And I want in 16 pieces, two type avocado and one this one is spicy one. Dynamite.
Yeah. Okay. What else, boss?
And one yumi sushi.
Okay. But boss, you can request only two.
Sorry?
Yeah, you can request only two types, boss. Not all you can change.
Now what type now is there?
You can request salmon avocado. Salmon avocado.
Two salmon avocado.
Two. And one dynamite.
One dynamite. One yumi sushi.
Okay. You replace already three, boss. You can. This one is enough. You can replace already two.
I need avocado, two types.
Yeah.
One type.
Yeah, two type. One dynamite. You request already two. That's enough. And the one is regular.
What's the standard? Because I'm getting confused. Because last time I was confused. So
Yeah. This one, mango maki. It's alright, boss.
I know. I can't think of what the standard pieces.
Salmon avocado, mango maki, crazy ebi maki, and tempura maki. Just four.
Okay. Replace two sushi. This one. What is the maki? What is its name again?
Tempura maki, boss.
No need tempura maki. What is the dynamite?
Okay. One is what? Mango maki.
Okay, fine, no problem.
Okay.
And with the crab, huh? Oh,
Yeah. Mango maki with crab.
yeah, one.
One. Okay. How about drinks, boss?
Sorry?
You like drinks?
No need.
You come here to pick up. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. 10 minutes I will come.
Okay, boss. Thank you. Sa wakas, natapos din yung mahabang usapan namin ni Boss. Buti na lang hindi nag-Arabic dahil kung nag-Arabic yun, yari, hindi kami magkakaintindihan dun. Napakadami pa namang gustong i-request. And then, ayaw pa nga niya ng regular order namin. Ang gusto niya palitan lahat. Lugi naman ang ating negosyo pagka ganon. Siyempre, pakikitain naman natin ang restaurant ng ating amo dahil dyan tayo kumukuha ng sahod. Kaya naman ang pinagbigyan ko lang si Boss ay sa dalawang request niya. Gusto niya kasi palitan lahat ng regular box namin. At buti na lang magaling tayo sa English Carabao. Kahit mababaw lang na English ay nagkakaintindihan naman kami ni Boss. Ayun na nga, pumayag na siya sa dalawang replacement ng aming regular box. Kaya naman ito't ginawa na namin ni partner at ang order ni Boss. At pagkatapos nga namin magawa ang request ni Boss na order ay siyempre lalagay na natin sa labas yan at iti-take away na natin. Siyempre wala naman ibang mag-take away niyan kundi ako din. Di wow. At habang inaayos ko nga po yan dumating na rin ang pipick up ng order at yung kausap ko kanina sa phone call. At dyan na si Boss at babayaran na rin ang kanyang order. And then siyempre pagkatapos ko naman i-prepare yan ay papans din natin yan siyempre para mabayaran na ni Boss ang kanyang order na request. Yun lang, thanks for watching and God bless everyone. See you my next vlog. Alright.